Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making the Nigerian buns. It's a very sweet snack that anybody, both kids, adults can have. Let's get started. So when you're making those buns, you're going to combine all the dry ingredients you have, which is listed here on the screen. Combine all your dry ingredients, sieve your flour, combine it. For this video, I used my mixer because I didn't have the energy. So you can use your mixer, make a well in the center and put all your liquid stuff in the center and mix together. For a better outcome, keep everything chilled. The only thing that should be on a room temperature is your melted butter. So you mix and mix and mix, and you would have to come up with a very good batter. The batter shouldn't be watery and it shouldn't be too thick. Just the consistency you see on this video. So now for frying, I put my oil in a medium heat. You don't want the oil too hot, neither do you want it like too cold. If not, your buns is gonna soak up oil. So you can either use your finger to mold these buns, or you can use an ice cream scoop. So I prefer to use my fingers because I have a better management, and I mold better with my fingers. So you can either put it on your fingertip and just scoop into the oil, or you can use the other second method I used in this video. Put it in your in your palm and squeeze it out through your index finger and your thumb. That method is what I use in the rest of this video, just because it gives me a better like I mold better with it. I think that's the word I'm looking for. So you do this and you fry. This snacks is very delicious. If you notice, I did not add water in my ingredients because I used just milk as my liquid, just because I wanted that very milky and tasty buns. And I also added powdered milk. Well, if you're from Nigeria, you would know our Nigerian powdered milks. We have different brands. So whichever one you want, it's totally optional. And the cinnamon, oh my God, the cinnamon gives it a good flavor, right? It's almost like the cinnamon combines with the nutmeg, and the both flavor just, oh God, it gives it like a unique flavor. You should try it. So here it is frying good, and you can see those cracks, and the buns is getting more crunchy, which is what we want. So you fry, keep turning it so that both sides fry with the same heat and the same temperature. They cook really good. So turn it so that either side won't burn. So you just scoop it out, and that's the first batch for us, and you totally just repeat this step with the rest of your batter that is remaining. Just scoop, wet your finger again, and just mold with whatever you're most comfortable with, either the ice cream scoop, either your finger, or a tablespoon. It's totally up to you. You don't have to use your finger because some people like, you have to do this like a couple times before you get, like, before you might be comfortable with it. Like, don't be too hard on yourself if you don't get it on the first try. So just keep going, and that is the last batch frying or cooking, and there you have it. Oh my God, this is so yummy. I couldn't resist but have a taste of one, to be honest. So this is it. And anybody, like I said, can have this yummy snacks You can have it with a soft drink, a cold drink. If you're having a party, like you have the guys saying, you can take the alcohol and also have the snacks to go with it. Anything goes with it. Please try this and tell me how you feel about it. Like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video. I love you all. Stay blessed and thanks for watching. Bye.